Hi guys, what is up? It is Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a what's in my bag video. And this bag, honestly, I don't know what the brand is. Oh, it's Steve Madden, duh. I love Steve Madden. I have a lot of Steve Madden Coach bags. I pretty much collect them. So this is a giant Steve Madden bag. I absolutely love giant purses, so it's a problem. I have way too many purses and nowhere to go with them. So we're gonna do what's in my bag. So I'm gonna kind of do like the biggest things first. I actually carry books in my bag. Right now I just started this book. It's called All the Pretty Things, and it's actually a murder mystery. So far I like it, so we'll see. You know, I'm not very far into it right now. I don't even know how many pages I'm at. 55 pages, and so far it's good. I really like it, so far I recommend this one. Let's see. I have my wallet, standard wallet. It's got, I usually don't carry cash on me. I don't think a lot of people do. So I literally just have my cards, ID, some rewards and points cards, nothing too fancy in there. I always need hand lotion. I am like the hand lotion queen. I always need hand lotion on me. This one is Golden Sunflower by Bath & Body Works. It really smells absolutely amazing. I might have just dropped some on my leg. It smells a mix between like floral and like I don't want to say coconutty, but it's definitely like a spring summer smell. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. It's really good. I have my glasses, so if something ever were to happen and I need to take my contacts out or something, standard. I have a mini deodorant because I go to the gym, and one of my like biggest like things, almost like pet peeves I guess, is smelling bad. I cannot stand like when other people smell bad, or like when I smell bad. I try to be as clean as I can. Like, if anyone knows me, you know that I take 2 showers a day. I'm always spraying perfume, always putting lotion on, and I always have this on me just in case. Sometimes I don't like to put too much in my gym bag, and I like to have something like this on me all the time, so just a mini deodorant. And yes, it's Old Spice and it's a man's deodorant. I usually use men products, men shaving cream, men deodorant, men razors. I feel like they work better than women's. I don't know, it's just my opinion. Chapstick, I always need extra chapstick. Just like lotion, I am always putting on chapstick. So this one is the Burt's Bees Watermelon. Usually I use the watermelon and the strawberry for spring, and my favorite is the mango for summer. Mango is definitely my favorite. Which also brings me to perfume. Right now I have like this beachy smelling perfume. It's kind of floral. It's really cute. I always carry perfume no matter where I go. I always have to have perfume. I have a couple pens, standard. I have like a mini brush, like mini hairbrush, because I always feel like I need to brush my hair. Just in case there's like a windy day or I'm at the gym. Again, a lot easier to have this stuff on me all the time. Oh, I just put this in here. It's a new one. I did, this is a berry lemonade disinfectant, sanitizer, whatever you want to call it, hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. So it smells like berry lemonade. I think it smells more like blueberries than anything. Yeah, it smells like blueberries to me. And then, those like little pockets and things like that. I actually have, I have a ring. I don't know if you can see that. I have like a Tree of Life ring in there. I've got a bunch of bobby pins I'm not going to take out. In the big pocket I kind of carry a lot. So I have feminine products in there. I don't think I need to show that. Some mascara. I always carry like things like Advil and Benadryl just in case. You never know. I have my iPod that I go to the gym with. And yes, I still use an iPod Classic. I actually have like 3 of them. I love them. I don't really like to drain my phone battery to use it for music. And then I have right now the iPhone 8. I'm looking into getting an iPhone 12, I hope. I'm sorry, my cat is like meowing. Oh, she's just playing with a toy, meowing at the toy. I hate draining my battery, so I love iPods. These last a long time, and not only that, they are sturdy and durable. I don't know why they stopped making these, and I don't know why people don't use iPods anymore, because honestly, I love them. Absolutely love them. Can't get through my day without my iPod. And then just like standard stuff. I have like extra contacts and things like that, just in case. And like a mini notebook, just in case I need to jot things down. And I think that's it. Usually I have my mask in here, but I am doing a load of laundry, so my mask is in the laundry right now. But yeah, that is basically what is in my bag. I hope everybody had enjoyed it. Now I have to put everything back. But yeah, I literally carry around too much stuff, and everybody makes fun of me for it. But, you know, it always comes in handy. Sometimes, yeah, the bag might be heavy and whatever, but if I'm going out at night, I don't need a big bag. But if I'm going somewhere during the day, if we're traveling, if I'm going to work or whatever, I need a big bag. I don't know if any of you are like that, like me, but I need my giant oversized bag, and I absolutely love them. So yeah, please like, please subscribe, please give me more ideas, because I have a few and would like to know what you guys want to see from me. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and please subscribe to me. I would love to produce more content for you guys. I'm slowly but surely trying to think of things and do different things. Some videos might be long, some videos might be short, but I really hope that I don't even know what I was going to say. Like, subscribe. I love you guys. See you later.